Hello again, everyone. Today's lesson is going to be on coordinates. Now, this is a 5th grade worksheet, but as always, if you would like to see another grade, please leave a message and I can make an arrangement. I'm also going to assume that you have the general knowledge of coordinates, such as what the x-axis and the y-axis is, so I'm not going to spend too much time on it, other than just as a quick refresher. The x-axis runs side to side here on the coordinate grid, and the y-axis runs up and down. And again, if you would like to see a more specific lesson on that, leave me a message and I can make an arrangement. Today we're just going to work on certain problems here, and as always, I put up all of the worksheet, so if you would like to do it, you can go ahead and pause the video and do it, and then you can check at the end of the video how you did. As for the rest of us, we're going to be focusing just on certain parts of the worksheet. Today we're going to look at numbers 1, 2, and 3, and numbers 7, 8, and 9, and numbers 13, 14, and 15. So if you're wondering what we're going to do, that's what we're going to do today. So let's get started. So let's read the directions first for problems 1, 2, and 3. The directions say, tell what point is located at each ordered pair. Looking at number 1, we can see the coordinates are 5, 8. So looking at the x-axis, we're going to find number 5. And looking at the y-axis, we're going to find number 8. And then we're going to just go up to where the 5 and the 8 meet, and we see that there's letter M is there. Looking at number 2, the coordinates says 12, 2. So looking at the x-axis, it's 12, and looking at the y-axis, it's 2. So we're going to look where the 12 and the 2 meet, and the letter there is letter P. Problem number 3, we can see the 8 is on the x-axis, and the 7 is on the y-axis. So we're going to see where the 2 meet, and the letter there is the letter H. So let's continue on to the next problem now. Problems number 7, 8, and 9. Let's look at the directions now. Write the ordered pair for each given point. So for number 7, we're going to look at the letter N, and we're just going to write the ordered pair for each given point. So if we look at the x-axis for N, we can see that the number is 1. And if we look at the y-axis for N, we can see that the letter is also number 1. For number 8, the letter is L. And if we look at the x-axis, the number is 4. And if we look at the y-axis, the number is 3. So then the coordinates for letter L is 4, 3. For number 9, if we look at the x-axis for J, where it lies, the number is 11. And if we look at what the number is for the y-axis for the letter J, we can see that the number is 1. So the coordinates for J are 11, 1. Let's continue on to the last part of the assignment. The directions for numbers 13, 14, and 15 say, plot the following points on the coordinate grid. Looking at number 13, they want us to plot S with the coordinates 6 and 11. So finding 6 on the x-axis and 11 on the y-axis, we're just going to go up to where the 2 meet, and then we're going to plot letter S there. Problem 14, we're going to plot letter T on the x-axis on number 3, and on the y-axis number 5. So we're just going to go where 3 and 5 meet, and that's where we're going to plot letter T. Number 15, for letter U, they want us to use the coordinates 9, 12. So we're going to look for 9 on the x-axis, and then 12 on the y-axis. And then just go up to where the 9 and the 12 meet, and then we're going to plot the letter U for that coordinate. And that's pretty much what the directions are for the rest of these activities. So if you want to look at the rest and do the rest on your own, feel free to do so, and I will have the answer key to look at right now. Here's the answer key. If you did all the problems, feel free to check all your answers, see how you did, and just mark how many you got right out of the total possible. So there's 15 problems. If you got 12 correct, it would just be 12 out of 15. So it would be very similar to what I did on the 2 students' samples that I did a few videos back. So just mark it the same way. How many you got correct out of 15? Thank you once again for joining in today's lesson. Please message me through Facebook Messenger, or you can email me at jollyformore@gmail.com to learn more about my online tutorial service. Please leave a comment down below. If you know someone interested in hiring an online tutor, share this video. And if you would like to get a bell notification for all my newest videos, please subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you again in my next video. And until then, please be safe out there. Have a great day.